Hey everyone, it's Nether Noooooob, and today we are playing Pokemon Brick Bronze, which is now free to play. I was planning on just getting the Robux, but now it's convenient that it's free. Okay, so I like this thing. I'm sorry, but the intro and stuff will be a little slow because, the recording software. I'm really looking into new ones, but I can't find any that are this good. I've seen the intro before, so watch this. I love this part. It looks like I have two arms. It's supposed to just smash across the room. Oh, wait! Some roleplay here. I can't believe today has finally come. Today I get my first Pokemon from the Pokemon Professor. I've always dreamed of setting out on my own adventure with Pokemon by my side. There's so many Pokemon in this world. I hope to discover them all one day. Well, I'd better get going. Okay. Nether Noob. Okay, Nether Noob. Did I write that correctly? Yep. Awesome. I'm that much closer to officially being a Pokemon trainer. Okay. So let's go. It's a bit laggy, but... Oh, do I even control? Oh yeah, I do. This is weird. I'm used to being able to change the camera, but right now... Hey, Nether Noob, it's me, Jake. Of course it's Jake. I can't believe we're getting our first Pokemon today. This is the day we've dreamed of since we were kids. I'm on my way to the lab to get mine right now. Oh yeah, your parents wanted to see you before you went to the lab. I saw them pass my house earlier, heading towards the digging site. Hurry and go talk to them. I'll be waiting for you at the lab. Okay, but where are they? Jake? I kind of lost my memory and I don't know where the digging site is. I think it's here though. Oh, there we go. Now I can change my camera. Well, that ought to take care of it. We have to keep this a secret for everyone's safety. You're right. It's too dangerous for oh yeah, voices I guess. It's too dangerous for anyone to go down there. I don't think we should tell anyone about this. Maybe we can tell that new professor. Maybe you're right. Oh, Nether Noob. You startled me. Hey champ. Today's the day you get your first Pokemon. We're so happy for you. Oh wait. We're so happy for you, sweetie. Sorry we didn't meet you at home. We just discovered something in the cave last night. As archaeologists, your mother and I are very thorough in our work. That's right, but enough talking. Let's head down to the professor's lab and let you pick your very first Pokemon. See you there. Wait, can I follow them? Yeah. I'm following you, parents. You can't escape from me. Okay, so I'll just follow my parents. One of the genes I'm happy I didn't inherit from them is the fact that their arms are so square and blocky. find her less muscular. Yeah, I'll just say that my mother's more muscular than I am. Okay, yeah, that's the story. Okay, so I hope this shows up on the video better than it's showing up for me. Hello, my name is Professor Cypress. I'm the new professor in Midtown. I'll bet you're Nether Noob. Your parents were just telling me about you. You must be very excited to be getting your first Pokemon today. There are a few things that you must know about Pokemon. First, Pokemon are our friends, and we grow alongside them. They grow and in some cases evolve and change form as we battle with them. Your Pokemon will grow to love you as you adventure with them. Oh, that's cool. I never knew that before. Yes, there are still many things that we do not know about Pokemon. Netherloop, I want you to now pick a Pokemon that you would like to accompany you on your adventures. Make a choice from these 18 different breeds. Go ahead now. I thought you just got the one. Okay, there's these, 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 these. Oh yeah, I'm back to where I started. So yeah, since Cheesy Blocks is pretty much an expert, I'm gonna see which one he recommends. Okay, Cheesy Blocks recommended Green Ninja, and he's pretty sure that this one is it. Froakie, no. Let's see. This is Squirtle. Totodile, I should know that. Mudkip. There's one I didn't check. Trico. So I'll remember his name. This guy. Pippa. Probably most of you know Pokemon a lot more than I do. So I really like the flame type Pokemon. The choice. I'll tell you I'll see you in. I consulted the source of ultimate knowledge, the internet. So yes, it turns into Green Ninja. Your new Pokemon is so cute. That Pokemon definitely has potential in battle. Too bad. I was thinking to get Charizard or someone. Okay. I hope our Pokemon become best friends like we are. Alright, Nether Noob. Many challenges await you. Let me give you one another gift. Let me give you one another gift that will help you along your way. I don't think I read that right. It's a Pokedex. It's like an electronic encyclopedia that records the kinds of Pokemon you encounter and capture. It will also help me in my research of Pokemon. Also, if you like, you can come back at any time and purchase another Pokemon from my assistant, David. Now, what are you waiting for? Go and explore the world of Pokemon. Yes, Nether Noob, go ahead and have fun with your Pokemon. We need to stay behind and talk to the professor for a minute. We'll meet up with you later. Okay, wait, how much? 25. So I can buy them. So does that mean I could buy... I don't think I have enough money, but I could buy... Oh, it's 25 Robux. Okay, let me go. Come on, loading bar. You can leave me alone now. No worries, though. If it's... Okay. Menu. Save? I guess. Because just in case something happens, I want to have my starter. Okay, so. I still can't use my camera inside buildings. Hey, Noooooob, wait up. We have Pokemon now. Let's battle. I didn't do that voice right. Pokemon trainer Jake would like to battle. Eevee. Nice choice by Froggy, which will be extremely effective. Oh, Pound. No, I went... Oh, yeah, I used Bubble. I thought a water move would be pretty effective against it. His tackle move is really strong. Okay, just keep using Tail Whip. But it failed. Use Pound. Pound is the only thing that's working that good. But it failed. Okay, good. Pound. Losing to Jake would be horrible. Froakie used Pound. A critical hit. The opposing Eevee fainted. That was a close call, though. Amazing. 200 Poké Dollars. Nice fighting. Here, let me heal your Pokemon. Noooooob, that was an excellent battle. Your father and I watched you while you were discussing things with the professor. We are very proud of you in taking this step to become a Pokemon trainer. We want you to know that we will be supporting you as you explore Roya. Oh, I thought that was the mother. You need to be very careful as you are going to be out on your own for the first time. Don't forget to floss. Noooooob, we want to give you something to take with you as a gift to celebrate this momentous occasion. Is this the bronze brick? It looks more like a chocolate piece of Lego. But okay. I made it into a necklace just this morning. When you look at it, remember your family who loves you. Don't forget to keep it safe. We're headed to the house. If you need anything, that's where you can find us. Wow, that was very cool of your parents. Oh, by the way, I have something for you. They're for catching wild Pokemon. Obtain 5 Pokeballs. Noooooob put the Pokeballs in the bag. It works best if you weaken the Pokemon before throwing a Pokeball at it. Well, I need to gather a few things before I set off on my adventure. You should go start training your Pokemon on Route 1. Past Route 1 is Chestnut Town. That would be a great place for us to meet up. Alright, I'll see you later. See you, Jake. There's the exit. I thought the game froze. You'll probably be watching this a lot faster, because the reason it's lagging is so my videos don't lag as much when you watch them. Stupid? Yes. Well, at least you'll have higher quality videos. At least if that's, I think, how it works. Good luck on your adventures out there. If your Pokemon ever need a quick healing, come talk to me. Okay. Let's just go here, Route 1. Here we go, Pokemon. Fletchling. I'm used to, in the other Roblox Pokemon game, it's all pixelated. I'm used to having this Charizard that destroys everything on hit. Okay, let's see. Another Pound shouldn't kill it. Yes, I know. Fletchling's not the best. But I'm going to use a Pokeball. Because I want Fletchling, because I heard they evolve into a decent Pokemon. Gotcha. Fletchling was caught. Okay, give a nickname to Fletchling you caught? Yes. I'll call him Useless Bird. Done. Froakie gained 24 HP points. Oh, my first trainer, yay. Bugs are the most interesting Pokemon. No, they're not. Bugcatcher Ralph sent out Wormhole. Okay. This will be pretty easy. I like the music though. And the animation's just great. His best move, Tackle, took me down 3 points. My speed harshly fell, okay. I can still pound you. Yeah, I'm level 7. So at level 16, I'll evolve first, and then I'll get to Green Ninja. Wait. I guess I'll try out Useless Bird. Go Useless Bird. Bugcatcher Ralph sent out Whirlpool. Actually, I shouldn't be using this because Useless Bird's gonna die. At least if he keeps using something like String Shot, shouldn't kill him. One more tackle and a Useless Bird beats a worm. Yeah, it's gonna work. I guess it's a bird and a worm, so that kind of makes sense. But okay, so maybe bugs aren't the best Pokemon for battle. Actually, I know this might sound a bit harsh to you, but bugs aren't even close to the best Pokemon. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. Say hi to YouTube. Just so Cheesy knows I'm on. Ooh. I kind of don't want to just go catching every Pokemon I see. But I kind of want a Zigzagoon. But I'm not gonna waste a Pokeball on him unless he survives 1 pound. Critical hit, of course. No, I don't want to battle you. I met my first Pokemon in this route. I just, kill is a strong word. I just, bet up a Zigzagoon. They have pretty strong tackle though, compared to my Froakie. Tackle, if I just survive this, I'll have to run back and heal my Pokemon. I actually can't run. I know you can, but... Oh, quick attack. That'll be useful. $96 for that. Okay. Everyone leave me alone. No. You're even more useless than my useless bird, but I'm still gonna run away. Sorry, but I have a bit of a cold, so my voice is a bit croaky. What? What do you say? Let me heal you. Oh, I thought you had to, like, do it. What does he do? Like, rub his hands together really fast to heat up my Pokemon? Because how can they rest that quick? Okay. So laggy. Noooooob has 23 subs. Yeah, I know how many subs I have. Okay, Wurmple. I actually wonder, okay, so if I use pound, takes them that much. I just healed my Pokemon. And useless bird, who's only level 3. Okay, string shot's kind of useless against my bird. Okay, but his tackle. I wish I could rename him because I need to name him almost useless bird. Why are you just making me slow? Yes, I'm recording. Okay, so look at this. Evil Cheesy Box has 30 on his Pokedex. And is 4th place. I just love Pokemon. They're so cute. Okay, thanks. Okay, Bunnelby. Pound. Actually, I need to level up useless bird a bit, so I think he could survive a Bunnelby. Oh, so my defense wasn't lowered? Okay, tackle. Useless bird. I should name you not as useless bird. No, I will not switch from useless bird. Useless bird, you aren't as useless as I thought you were. Though you might be very hurt after this. Okay, so useless bird and 32 XP points. You're level 5. Okay, so it's been 23 minutes and all I've gotten is a useless bird. But this is the end of the episode, so yeah. I'll see you in the next episode, and if you enjoyed, please remember to leave a like. And if this is the first video you've seen by me, please consider subscribing. Oh, and by the way, before I say see you later, I'm going to be making a drawing your comments series, but I need comments. So leave your comments or the drawing your comments video in the comments box below. I said comments so much then. Okay, see you later, guys.